Welcome to MKD Crimes. Man kicks door and records himself in broad daylight in a bizarre act of vandalism. A man is caught on camera kicking a dent into a stranger's door while recording the whole thing on his phone. To make it even stranger, he sings as he does it, all in broad daylight. Watch this odd display of destructive behavior.
My heart beat to the beat of the drum.
Customer steals wallet from Flores, goes on spending spree, caught on camera. A florist at the Plaza Shopping Center at 2800 West Sahara opens his shop only to fall victim to a sneaky thief. While creating a floral arrangement, the customer rummages through his bag and steals his wallet. Moments later, the thief begins maxing out the owner's credit cards. A reminder to stay alert even in familiar surroundings.
Both one of them. Now we have the deals. I mean, if there's a credit card, it's really easy to get into the doorknob. I mean, I'm trying to find a little. All I can do is like tap the doorknob, and there's deadbolts and lock. I just gotta find something to jimmy these. If you can, yeah.
Caught on camera, midnight walker turns car thief at 5 a.m. What seemed like an innocent late-night stroll took a darker turn. In the first video, a man casually walks through the neighborhood at midnight. But in the second video, the same man returns at 5 a.m. attempting to break into a parked vehicle, checking if it was left unlocked. Watch this shocking footage and remember to always secure your vehicles. Food truck break-in. Thief damages patio in bold crime. Caught on camera, a man breaks into a parked food truck and leaves a trail of destruction, including damage to the property's patio. Watch this outrageous act of vandalism unfold and see why securing your business is more important than ever. Caught on camera, duo breaks into house on October 23rd. On October 23rd, security cameras captured a brazen house break-in involving two suspects and a getaway car. Only one suspect was visible on camera, a light-skinned male with dark hair and braids. The second suspect, described as a dark-skinned male with a grown beard, was reportedly armed. Their vehicle, a sleek black two-person convertible, can also be seen in the footage. Stay alert and report any tips to authorities. Caught on camera. Woman targets vehicles while charging in driveway. In this video clip, a woman is caught on camera scoping out unattended vehicles in a neighborhood. She approaches a car charging in a driveway, trying the doors but finds them locked. Undeterred, she moves on to another vehicle across the street to try her luck. Residents report this is part of an ongoing issue in the area. Always lock your cars and stay vigilant.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Suspicious street encounter. Owner confronts stranger near parked car. In broad daylight, a man walking down the street stops near a parked car, drawing the attention of the vehicle's owner. The owner confronts him and tells him to move along. While it's unclear what the man's intentions were, this video highlights the importance of staying vigilant and aware of your surroundings.
What's up, bro? What you doing? Huh? Hey, not over here. Not over here, bro. Not over here. You get fucked up with that shit, bro. Try it if you want to.
Porch pirate strikes again. Man steals packages before owner can intervene. Caught on camera, a man sneaks up to a porch and steals 2 packages, despite the owner speaking through the security system to check for visitors. The thief had already fled with the goods. A stark reminder to stay alert for package thieves, especially during delivery season.
Who's there?
It's 5 teenagers.
Who's there?
He's the first black president of the United States, and he had birth remarks.
Drunken vandal destroys porch decorations. Caught on camera, a man stumbles onto someone's porch with a drink in hand and proceeds to destroy their plants and pumpkins. Whether fueled by mischief or too much alcohol, his actions leave behind a trail of damage. Watch this bizarre act of porch vandalism unfold.
Yeah. Straight sparks. Garbage yard, you nigga. Oh shit. Good bread. Come in.
Caught on camera, license plate stolen in early morning at 4:30 a.m. A neighbor's rear license plates were stolen by an individual who exited a newer model white Volvo. The suspect was fully covered, leaving no visible description. Watch the clip and be reminded to stay vigilant in your neighborhood. Mystery on camera. Two men seen sprinting through parking lot at night. Captured on security cameras, two men are seen running at full speed through a parking lot under the cover of darkness. What were they running from? Watch the footage and share your thoughts on this strange late night dash. Caught on camera, late night car door checker. This security footage shows a man wandering the neighborhood at night, trying car doors to see if any are unlocked. A reminder to always secure your vehicles and stay vigilant. Group of 6 caught checking car doors at night. A group of 6 young adults was caught on camera roaming the neighborhood late at night, checking car doors to see if any were left unlocked. Watch this footage as a stark reminder to double check your vehicle's security. Fake good, Samaritan steals packages after pretending to help. Caught on camera, a man pretends to knock on the door to inform the homeowner about packages on their porch. Instead of helping, he takes the opportunity to steal the packages himself. Watch how this brazen thief operates. Teenagers caught trying to break into cars in parking lot. Late night mischief caught on camera. A group of teenagers is seen roaming a parking lot attempting to break into parked cars. Their suspicious behavior is a reminder to always lock your doors and stay vigilant. Thank you for joining us on another riveting journey into the world of real crime. Stay safe and always keep an eye out.